Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, are you learning all the things which teachers are teaching you? Yes, children, you have to study, no? So I know that you all are studying. So UKG children, we have completed many letters of capital cursive, and I think that you are practicing those letters which I have already taught you. Yes, and today I am going to teach you some more letters of capital cursive. So today we are going to learn to write capital cursive P, capital cursive B, capital cursive R and capital cursive D. So children, you please be ready with your 4-line notebook and pencil, and you look here on the board how I am teaching you. Okay? So first we will learn to write capital cursive P. From where to start that? You have to start from here, middle of the line, then you have to take it up and do this way. Okay? This is capital cursive P. So you have to write it properly. Yes, children? Which letter is this? Capital cursive P. P for pen, and you are holding pencil. So P for pen and P for pencil. Okay, again what we are writing? P. Okay, again you write properly. Yes, this way, and this is capital cursive P. Now which letter we are going to learn? Yes, capital cursive B. So same as P, you have to start from here and up to here, same as P, then again you make small curve and do this way. This is capital cursive B. B for bat and B for ball. So again we will write this. Yes, same as this is capital cursive B. Which letter is this? Capital cursive B. Now which letter we will learn? Capital cursive R. Okay. So you start from here and same as P, then do this way. Children, you have to write it properly. Yes. So again we will write it. Okay. See, again we have to start from here, then here and do this way. This is capital cursive R. Which letter is this? Capital cursive R. Okay. Capital cursive R. R for ring and R for rose. Yes. So this is capital cursive R. Now which letter we are going to learn? Yes, we will learn to write capital cursive D. How to write that? You just see here and go this way, and this is capital cursive D. D for dog. Again. Yes, children, all are writing? Yes, very good. So again we will write it properly. Yes, start from here. Again you just start from here and do this way, take it up, and this is capital cursive D. So today we learn to write capital cursive P, capital cursive B, capital cursive R and capital cursive D. So children, you please daily practice this letter in your notebook at your home, and thank you.